Tayuman Station. Maaari po lamang ingatan natin ang ating mga magnetic cards at ang ating mga gamit. Umawa po tayo sa mga safety hazards para maiwasan sa disgrasya. Next station, Tayuman Station.
Patay na girl.
How much is that? 300 pesos. Oh my God, 300 for painting. No, I know. Mom! Mom, please. You don't have to call me. Okay. Oh, no. Mom! Crazy! Mom! No, no. Mom. I'm giving you all 50%. Oh my God. Oh, how much?
50% discount. So,
Oh, I'll buy it. Let's try that. Oh my God.
after 1 week, next station, Tayuman Station. Maaari po lamang ingatan natin ang ating mga magnetic cards at ang ating mga gamit. Umawa po tayo sa mga safety hazards para maiwasan ang disgrasya. Next station, Tayuman Station. Ma'am, is that you?
Iba yung mukha.
Oh my golly! Is this you, ma'am? Ayaw buksan. Oh my God.
Actually, napalitan yung mukha.
Oh my God. It really helped me a lot. Can I buy some more? Oh yes, ma'am.
Magiging kamukha mo na si Georgina.
It has glutathione. It moisturizes the skin. It removes eye bags
And also black eye instantly.
for only 1 week.